Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 through 2024 Subaru Outback Wilderness. We've just installed the Rhino-Rack Pioneer Platform onto the raised rails of this vehicle. So this is utilizing the 60-inch by 49-inch platform, part number 52100F, and leg set SX100. So overall you have a 220-pound weight carrying capacity on this system. So the platform is great for all the different T-tracks. So you have the flooring, which has front to back T-slots, and on the leading and trailing edge, top and bottom, you have slots as well for different brackets like light bar brackets, and on the sides you can do awnings and different types of gear and accessories. So a really great low profile system, and a multitude of different accessories to help support it. So this has been one of our favorite brands for this type of rack system. Anyways, it's been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.